Yeah, hi guys. Just modeled this corner up on the master bedroom side. Look, sorry, I didn't have a lot of time, so I just mocked it up very quickly just so I could see how it was going to look. So this is the parapet coming through. That's where the step out is. You can see the step out of the upper versus the lower. So first of all, I thought we'd extend this part, which is the two layers applied, then the one layer getting glued and screwed through. That would run all the way through to the house. The light green is the rab board, which is fully nailed, sealed off. Once the little parapet cap extension's been done in red, then we will TPO the entire thing. So lap over the top of the parapet, come down 50, come up 150, all the way around this corner 150, go back into the corner, and even behind where this green flashing is, which I'll show you in a second, but probably the green's probably more for us to build it on site. Don't worry about the green. But basically, the whole thing gets TPO'd, nicely protected, over the top of the rab. We'll just check that tomorrow with Jesse because we do still have building paper. So if we do go over the top of the rab, it's a question of um, can we building paper over that, or should we cut the rab out, TPO to the framing, then bring the rab down? That's just a sequence thing. Won't have too much effect on what the end result is. Um, so once we've extended with the ply packers on the parapet, we've done all the TPO in red. We'll then put all the cavity battens in blue. The green is a back flashing, and that's just a white PVC flashing that we fit on top of the cavity battens, and that goes down. The only thing is, Jesse, I'd like it to come across here and then down, all the way down to the bottom of the cavity, so it can drain out, or to the if there's a window below, it can go to the top of the window to be able to drain out. So if any water gets in, hits that back flashing, it's a vulnerable junction there. It is also still TPO'd as well underneath that, so it's pretty well watertight. And then this back flashing goes in. Now once the back flashing goes in, we've got this custom yellow corner saddle, which basically has a good upstand on the top. I haven't detailed this internal because that's just a typical parapet to wall junction. Good upstands, wraps around the corner, comes down, butts hard into the the back flashing. Good little return coming down over there. Now, once that yellow custom corner saddle's installed, we're then basically ready for cladding. So basically, the cladding will come through. I'll just pull that through. So effectively, that's your cladding underneath. And if that's your cladding underneath, then basically I'll just draw over the top of this, but you clad that face, and that face obviously goes all the way through, goes all the way up, you get the picture, and you clad that face, and all you left with is basically the yellow custom um, corner saddle, which is left to then take the main powder coated cap flashing over the top. And what we could do is either a silicon joint down there, which is typical of an internal corner, or we could do just a tiny little cedar bead of some sort just to protect that corner. But that's what I think that would end up looking like. So yeah, just nice and neat. Um, really just an exterior corner. All right, we can discuss tomorrow. Cheers, guys.